This is Google's new flagship, the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's one of two Pro models this year, with the XL offering a slightly larger form factor. But size isn't the only thing that sets this phone apart. Let's dive into what makes the Pixel 9 Pro XL a serious contender in the flagship space. Though the XL may sound huge, it's just a tad bigger than last year's Pixel 8 Pro. The screen is 0.1 inches larger, and the overall weight is up by less than 10 grams. The real reason for the XL naming? Google also released a smaller Pixel 9 Pro for those who prefer compact devices. This year, Google's gone for a fresh design. There's a flat back with a glossy aluminum frame, and the camera bump? It's got a standout design that now includes a thermometer sensor. The 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display is slightly bigger but just as sharp as before, with an impressive 2200 nits peak brightness, making it perfect for outdoor use. And thanks to 120 Hz refresh rate in LTPO tech, it's smooth when you need it and energy efficient when you don't. Google has upgraded the fingerprint sensor to an ultrasonic one, super fast and responsive. Plus, with Google's Gemini AI, you're getting top-tier AI capabilities, from real-time answers to organizing your screenshots. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's cameras deliver, whether it's crisp daytime shots, respectable low-light performance, or sharp selfies with the new 42MP front camera. And with 8K video recording now supported, you've got even more options for capturing memories. Battery life sees a boost, and charging is faster than ever at 37W, though you'll need to bring your own adapter. So what's the verdict? The Pixel 9 Pro XL is a flagship with a gorgeous design, cutting-edge AI, and super long software support. If video sharpness or the latest chipset isn't your top priority, this might just be the flagship for you. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to check out last year's Pixel 8 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra if you're exploring alternatives. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching.